Yo, I totally butchered that outro. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna chop that shit up to make it look good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching me, then girl, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead. It won't take but a second and you will not be disappointed. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a everyday makeup tutorial inspired by Drake. See, I was scrolling through Instagram and I ran across this picture of Drake. His little highlight was popping and I was like, yes, Drake, let's go with the highlight. So today I am going to be recreating that look. Without further ado, let's just get into it. My skin is already prepped and primed and moisturized, but I am going to use the Glam Glow Glow Starter Illuminator because Drake had a glow. And this mega illuminating moisturizer is off the chain. I love it so much. And so, because we're going for that glow that Mr. Aubrey has, we want to make sure, you know, we do everything we can to get that Drake glow. So next, we are going to go in with the Fenty. And yeah, so there we go. Here, we're gonna just do it like this. The pump right there, and the pump right there, and the pump here. And that might be too much, but we're gonna find out. Now, he very obviously has full coverage foundation, so we're gonna make sure, you know, we're gonna build this up just a little bit to make sure we're getting that same full coverage that Mr. Aubrey has, okay? Next, for concealer, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I did pick this one up, and I mean, I'm not mad at it at all. It is really popping. And Drake almost has that whole, he damn near has a Kardashian highlights and contour. I'm just going to comb through these brows, honey, because that's up next. And I do like for more wet concealer to sit for a second, just to, you know, just to stiffen up a little bit, to get a little bit more coverage out of it. Okay, so I'm just going to blend that out. I'm gonna go in with the banana powder and I'm going to just set the under eye really good. Everywhere we put the concealer. And while, ooh, girl. While that sets, we're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows. Now, we all know Drake got a thick old natural brow child. He got them good old Neanderthal brows, which I'm not hating, and I'm not trying to throw shade because clearly I have them too. If I let my eyebrows grow out, honey, they will meet in the middle and join hands in the fight against my face. I'm gonna use my Anastasia dip pomade in the color medium brown, and I'm not really gonna shape them. I'm just gonna go with the natural shape of things because, you know, Drake really don't have much of a crazy arch in his brow. They're just thick as hell, like the women he likes. And then just to make it look a little bit more natural and a little bit more like brush little hairs, I'm just gonna take my brush and run right back through there. Yeah, and that is it for brows. You got like the Beyonce brow thing going on. It's real natural, just real. What's there was already there. All right, now I'm going to take Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color medium. I don't know if they still sell this because I saw Alyssa Ashley use this in her foundation routine and it looks like it made her foundation look absolutely flawless. And when I went to find it in the store, they said it was discontinued. She was able to go in the back and grab me one, and which would not even give me a discount. Like, girl, if it's discontinued and y'all pulling it off the shelf and y'all expect not to make no money from it, like, why can't a girl get a discount for it? You gonna sell it to me for whole price when you ain't gonna sell it at all? Like, I don't get that, and I don't like it. I don't know, maybe it's still available online. Neither here nor there. I'm going to dust away the setting powder, and then I'm going to just cover my whole face with this powder, and it really does just give you like a flawless finish. I love it. I love it so much. If they had more than one, I definitely would have bought it, but they only have one of my colors, so that's all the bitch got. Not only was Drake's highlight popping, but so was his bronzer. And so I'm going to take, it's actually a Wet n Wild bronzer that I pressed. It broke, so I repressed it into a empty MAC pan, and that's what I'm gonna bronze with. It's a really bomb ass bronzer. I love it, and it's very affordable. But the problem I have in my area is the shit is always sold out. It's a bomb ass Trey Dollar bronzer, and I just, man, I just love it. We're just gonna kind of carve us out a little jawbone, you know. Try to minimize that double chin and pull our little nose back to the forefront because she got lost in the sauce. Once I lay down all my powders except for my highlight, I like to go ahead and set my face. I don't know, I just like to go ahead and set it right now. I feel like setting it once you lay down your powders just melts all the powders together and just makes them, you know, get along better and just look so flawless on your skin. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and just bathe in it. And then I'm going to take the clean part of my Beauty Blender and just, girl, hair, stay in formation, girl. I'm just gonna press her in. And kind of evenly distribute it. Obviously, little old Drake don't have on no eyeshadow, but I am going to take a very neutral, like flesh tone eyeshadow and just kind of, I guess, just to set my eyelid a little bit. You can use anything that you would use as a transition color honestly will work, because you really won't even see it that much. Like, I'm just going to use that, like I said, to set similar eyelid, because I can't have my concealer up there just one most, child. Creasing all over things. We are almost done, honey. We are almost done. Okay, so we're going to add a little bit of the Marc Jacobs mascara just to bring out those lashes. Okay, so now for the best part, at least my favorite part of this whole look, is his highlight that is just gleaming. Drake is glowing, and I want that same little glow. So I'm going to go in with the MAC Perfect Topping Highlighter, which is my second fave. My first is the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion Highlighter. It's bomb as fuck. If you want to look golden, like a golden goddess, then this is the highlighter you need. But because Drake's highlighter is not golden, it's more of like a opal tone, like a pearl. This is gonna be our girl. This is what's gonna get us there. I'm just gonna take that on my brush like so, and we're gonna go in and get them. Ooh, we're gonna get them cheekbones, honey. We just wanna, you know, yes. And then the other side, of course. And we just gonna douse ourselves in the highlighter. Just douse. Let me see. I'm looking at his little picture. Let me see. Drake got it. He got it all up and through it. Girl. I swear my phone don't want me to be great. He got it all up and through here, honey. Let's just highlight up and through there. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. He does a little here. Of course, we got the bridge of his nose. We're gonna go there. And just really just lay this shit on, because that's the basis of his whole look. Now for his lip, it's really glossy. It's like a sheer gloss with a little bit, it looks like maybe some really fine glitter. We're gonna go in with an ultra glossy lip, and I'm gonna use the color Neat Freak. It's the Shayla and ColourPop collaboration, and I love this. Now the glitter reflex in this is a little more golden than the one on Drake's lip, but nonetheless it's still giving us that sheer glittery shine that we need. And so we just gonna go with it, honey. It's just gonna work for us because that's the closest thing we have. Now for me, because my little mole is clearly lost in the sauce, I gotta go in and get my girl. I can't leave her under there. And so let me just clean her off a little bit. And last but certainly not least, we're gonna go in with a pair of wispy lashes, because I mean I'm not gonna accuse Drake of wearing lashes, because naturally men always have like the best lashes, and then us girls are stuck with, you know, the little ones that don't curl up, honey. They short, they're lazy. Actually, he got a little bottom lash action going on that we need to catch up on. So let me just go and hit them bottom lashes right quick. You can stop here if you want to, but I'm gonna keep it going. I'm keeping the party going, okay? I'm keeping it going. Focus. Oh, one thing I did forget, I just looked at the picture of Lil Drake again, and he definitely highlighted. He hit that little inner corner right. He does not have on an eyeshadow. He did hit that little corner with some highlighter, or whomever did his makeup. So I'm gonna go in and just hit my inner corner and make my highlight pop on my inner corner as well. And then we will be done. That was quick. See, it took like, I don't know, like just a couple minutes, just a couple. Yeah, I'm just gonna go right back into Perfect Topping, and bam. Whew. I pretty much said we nailed the look. Okay, so that is it, and this is my attempt to go to work, you know, not too glammed up. I don't want to give the kids too much. I don't want to go in there and slay just the whole situation. I don't want to have edges and wigs all on the floor, child. I just want to give them a little bit, just a little old taste, just a little bit of, just a sample, you know? Just enough to just tug on the edges, but not have them laid all across the floor. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this good old highlights compared to your boys, because I feel like I nailed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button, and child, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, girl. We're all waiting, honey. We are all waiting for that. Thank you.